Welcome to BeVA. Today we are flying over Nicholson-Ford Park in Marshalltown, Iowa. This episode was flown on July 25th of 2022 and is the second of a 5-part series for places near or on the Iowa River in Marshall County. In the distance, we are looking at Sand Lake and the Marshalltown Generating Station. Here is the Marshalltown skyline, including the 2 water towers that we saw in our last episode of BeVA at Three Bridges Park. The trees in the distance were heavily damaged by either the Marshalltown tornado that struck in 2018 or the derecho that struck central Iowa and eastern Iowa in 2020. Here are a few cell phone pictures that I took of Nicholson-Ford Park back in 2013. One thing that I hope that can come from this channel is not only a sense of what a location might look like today, but an opportunity to see it in 10 or more years from now and see what it looked like back in 2022. And we are back to the drone now. Thank you for watching BeVA. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. If you want to get notifications on new videos, please subscribe to the channel and click on the bell icon.